Assalamu alaikum to my all beloved students. How are you? I hope you are all well. May Allah bless us. Stay home, stay safe, and study yourself. Study hard and hard to prepare yourself for our upcoming second professional examination. Yesterday, I told about some important topics for second professional examination. These are the topics from second term. Yesterday I discussed about sexual offenses, some important topics. This is rape. What are the prerequisites of examination of rape victim is complete. I will go for my next topics. Spermatozoa. Spermatozoa lifespan in environment. How spermatozoa can be detected. How spermatozoa parts. Count, total count of spermatozoa, very much important for prof examination written and oral. And then now I go for unnatural sexual offenses. Sodomy, buccal coitus, lesbianism, bestiality. Most common unnatural sexual offense is sodomy, then lesbianism. Lesbianism sometimes comes in your written examination as tribadism or female homosexuality. All are the same. You must not confuse. You must know the synonyms of lesbianism. Sodomy, sometimes sodomy. What are the findings of passive agent of sodomy? Bestiality, common persons of bestiality. Sodomy, common places of sodomy. Common places of lesbianism. What are the difference between buccal coitus and sexual oralism? Oralism is a sexual perversion. Buccal coitus is a unnatural sexual offense. Unnatural sexual offense means using unnatural route. Your answer is that. Now I go for sexual perversions. Common sexual perversions are sadism, masochism, transvestism, voyeurism, fetichism, necrophilia, necrophagia, indecent assault, eve teasing. Indecent assault and eve teasing are the sex-linked offenses. Kidnapping, unlawful prostitution. Indecent assault is important for written and oral examination. Eve teasing also important for written and oral examination. Sadism and masochism, they are the different terms, opposite terms. Common sexual perversions in our country, sadism, in the whole world. But perversion, sexual offense, common offense, indecent assault, and eve teasing. Now I go for psychosexual disorder. Classify psychosexual disorder. Define instinct. What are the types of instinct? Life instinct and death instinct. Everybody has two instincts, life or death. Life means good things and death instinct bad things. Any criminal offense comes out from death instincts, or suicide, homicide, etc. comes from death instinct. Classify psychosexual disorder মধ্যে important question হচ্ছে aversion, hyperversion, hyperversion. In case of female, aversion, frigidity. Define frigidity. What are the causes of frigidity? Your sir, this is an important question. And also in prof examination, frigidity itself comes in a short note. Short note হিসাবে frigidity prof খুব important. Cause of frigidity. You must read it from psychosexual disorder. Define frigidity and causes of frigidity. You must uh, learn from psychosexual disorder. Another topic is poison pen letter, telephonic persecution, kleptomania. One of the important questions, kleptomania. What is the management protocol of psychosexual disorder? Now I go for forensic psychiatry. Define forensic psychiatry. अथवा psychiatry. Psychiatry and forensic psychiatry are not the same. Psychiatry or insanity. What do you mean by insanity? There is a broad definition, very much important definition. Insanity. Important questions from forensic psychiatry. Hallucination, delusion, illusion, impulse. First, hallucination is a false sense of perception without any external object or stimulus to produce it. Perception means feelings without any external object or environment, feeling something which has no real existence. Illusion, something present in environment. False interpretation, something present but interpret as other thing. So your common knowledge will be hallucination, false sense of perception. Illusion, false interpretation, something present but interpret other things. Get the difference. Delusion means false belief. Belief means বিশ্বাস. False belief of something which cannot be removed from mind. আরেকটা হলো impulse. Impulse বোঝাচ্ছে মনের অজান্তে কিছু করা, ইচ্ছার বিরুদ্ধে করা, against his or her will or without a knowledge of his or her will is the important cause. যেমন kleptomania is one kind of impulse. You must remember hallucination, delusion, illusion, impulse. The hallucination classify hallucination. Hallucination pancho indriyo bola হয়. There are 5 senses of hallucination. Another plus psychomotor. First 5 senses of hallucination plus 1 psychomotor hallucination. Illusion, types of illusion, types of delusion. What is schizophrenia? In broad term, our psychiatric problem is divided into psychosis and neurosis. Most dangerous is psychosis. Psychosis and neurosis. Schizophrenia. Types of schizophrenia. Define schizophrenia. Types of schizophrenia. Kleptomania আগেই বলে দিছি. What do you mean by true false insanity? Difference between true and false insanity. One of the important question. What the difference between true and false insanity? very much important questions. These are the most. Lucy interval. You learn Lucy interval from two different chapters. One is head injury, another is forensic psychiatry. They are not the same. Forensic psychiatry insanity means periodical, বছরে একটা সময় সে নর্মাল বোধ করে, অন্য সময় সে মেন্টালি আনসাউন্ড থাকে। আর head injury psychiatry means after concussion, then comes out from normal condition, then goes for coma condition. Which is dangerous? Forensic psychiatry Lucy interval or head injury Lucy interval? Head injury Lucy interval very much dangerous. Medical legal importance of insanity. What is McNaughton's rule? History of McNaughton's. McNaughton's history, Daniel McNaughton, English, Wood Turner, বলা। History of McNaughton's rule, ভালো question, for good marks or to get honors mark from the prof examination, you must learn the McNaughton's history of McNaughton's Virginity, Sydney Sharp case. What are the difference between true and false insanity? The important question. Now I go for virginity and deprivation. Virginity. Define virginity or define virgin. Virgin is a woman, state of a woman. Virginity is a state of a woman. Virgin is a woman. Medical legal importance of virginity and deprivation. Signs of virginity of a young girl, unmarried girl. Signs of virginity of deprived woman. Signs of virginity young girl. Very much important question. Your answer will be, you make some silly mistake in previous second term examination. Is that your answer will be genital sign, labia majora, minora, hymen, fortity, fossa navicularis. These are the important points. কিন্তু তোমরা এগুলো লিখতে পারো না, তোমরা উল্টাপাল্টা কথা লিখছো, do some silly mistakes. The difference between virginity and deprivation, important question for prof and examination. Today I like to conclude my discussion. Next day I will talk about details about virginity and deprivation because it is an important chapter. Previously I told some important question. You must learn it. You must learn from the book and be sincere your study because there is a short time for professional examination. I hope that you will do well in your upcoming prof examination. Everyone should pass this examination and get good marks. Thank you all. Wishing you sound health. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.